In today's video, I'm going to teach you a simple yet effective way to convert an image into a PDF using Google Drive and Google Docs. Let's get started and simplify what might seem like a tricky task into a straightforward process. First things first, go ahead and open Google Drive in your web browser. Ensure you're logged into your account to access all your files and tools. If you're not already signed in, you'll need to enter your credentials. Now that you're in your drive, bring your attention to that prominent New button on the left side of your screen. Click on it to reveal a drop-down menu with a few options. Select File Upload from this menu to start the journey of your image conversion. At this point, you'll want to locate the image on your computer that you wish to convert. This could be a JPG, PNG, or any other common image file format, so long as it's ready to be transformed into a PDF. Once you found it, go ahead and upload it to your Google Drive. You might notice the file briefly pop up in the lower right corner of your screen as it uploads. With the image now safely uploaded to your drive, it's time to perform a little magic. Right-click on the uploaded image and choose Open With from the context menu that appears. Here, select Google Docs. Google Docs will now create a new document for you with the image neatly inserted inside. This is a handy feature that allows not only viewing the image but also editing text within the picture using optical character recognition or OCR technology. So that's a topic for another day. In this newly created Google Docs file, your next move is to set the gears in motion for downloading. Notice the File menu on the top left of the screen. Click on it to unveil more options, and then hover over Download. Here, you'll see a list of file formats you can choose from, but for our purpose today, let's select PDF document PDF. This selection will convert your Google Doc, including the image it holds, into a PDF file. As you click, the download will commence promptly, and in a matter of seconds, your newly minted PDF will be available in your default Downloads folder, ready to be shared or stored as needed. And there you have it, a simple and convenient way to turn your images into PDFs using tools that are likely already part of your digital toolkit. This method is not only easy but also user-friendly, ensuring you have a polished PDF document in no time. Give it a try and you'll find it's an invaluable trick for your digital document needs. Thanks for tuning in and happy converting!